My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Ethics are the true identity of a person. They are not merely outward actions, but a reflection of inner qualities and the beauty of the heart. Today, we will explore why the refinement of ethics is essential and the role it plays in our lives. The importance of ethics. Just as worship is an integral part of our lives, ethics are also a fundamental necessity. The acceptance of acts of worship depends on the refinement of ethics. If one's ethics are not correct, even acts like prayer and fasting can become worthless, or worse, they may lead to one's downfall. The true meaning of ethics. Many people believe that good manners simply mean speaking with a smile or dealing gently with others. However, in the context of religion, ethics carry a much broader meaning. Ethics represent the balance of a person's inner self, emotions, thoughts, and desires. It is this internal quality that guides a person to correct their actions. The importance of the soul. A human being is a combination of body and soul. Without the soul, a person becomes nothing more than a corpse. The same beloved individual, cherished by many, is hurriedly buried after death. This reality highlights that true humanity resides in the soul, not merely the body. Diseases of the soul. Just as the body is susceptible to illnesses, so too is the soul. Jealousy, hatred, ingratitude, and arrogance are diseases of the soul that hollow a person from within. Treating these ailments is crucial, as they can destroy one's ethics if left unchecked. The beauty of the soul. Just as physical beauty is reflected in the face and body, the soul also possesses its own beauty. Humility, sincerity, patience, and gratitude are signs of the soul's beauty. Adopting these traits leads a person to success in both this world and the hereafter. The connection between worship and ethics. Acts of worship, such as prayer, fasting, and almsgiving, involve physical actions. However, their true benefit is realized only when ethical qualities accompany them. For instance, patience is a condition of the heart, and sincerity entails performing every act with the sole intention of seeking Allah's pleasure. These virtues are what truly complete acts of worship. Conclusion. Ethics are the foundation of human success. They represent the beauty of our soul and the strength of our heart. Let us strive to incorporate patience, gratitude, humility, and sincerity into our lives and become better individuals. May Allah grant us the ability to adopt the best of ethics.